Hello friends, my name is Hanvika. I'm studying first class Lily. Today's thought of the day is states and capital cities.
Telangana,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Hyderabad,
Maharashtra, Mumbai,
Mumbai,
Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Punjab, Haryana, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh,
West Bengal,
Lucknow, Bihar, Patna, West Bengal, Kolkata, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Karnataka, Bangalore, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati,